research we are discussing asks whether contemporary utilitarianism effectively incorporates the cognitive aspect of love in moral decision making. Acting out of love towards others aligns with fundamental, unconditional values and requires a deep understanding of love and cognitive and emotional elements and ethical consideration. Contemporary utilitarianism often loves to calculate of pleasure and pain, ignoring of its deeper cognitive and its emotional elements. To support and a thesis, the cognitive dimension of love, which includes understanding and empathy, is crucial for making decisions but often overlooked by utilitarianism. That supports the thesis. Moral decisions making requires considering intention and motivation, essential aspect of the cognitive dimension of love, which utilitarianism often misses. Some thinkers argues that contemporary utilitarianism effectively addresses the moral decision by focusing on the outcomes such as pleasure and pain, without needing to delve into the complexity of love. Some counter the empathy and understanding, while important, are subjective and can lead to biased moral decisions, making objective calculations and consequence of a morally reliable method. Many claims that focusing on intention and motivation can distract from actual outcomes of action, which are the primary concern in ethical decisions making within utilitarianism. Utilitarianism focuses on outcomes overlooks the instinct value of human relations and the depth of love, which are essential of holistic moral reasoning and cannot be reduced to mere calculation of pleasure and pain. Understanding are subjective. They are crucial for genuinely comprehending others' needs and perspective. The deeper insight leads to more compassionate and just moral decisions that purely objective calculation can achieve. Intentions and motivations are integral to assessing the moral worth of actions. Utilitarianism focus to pleasure and painful fails to capture a full cognitive and emotional depth of love. Understanding and empathy central to the cognitive dimension of love are vital for sound moral decision making. Intentions and motivations are crucial to the cognitive dimension of love, must be considered in moral decisions from a moral and ethical perspective. Integrating and cognitive and approach to ensure that our actions are aligned with a deeper promoting genuinely human utilitarian calculations. Starting today, we will integrate a deeper understanding of love, including empathy and intentions, into our moral decisions making process.